Hello, Kencho. Welcome to my channel Easy English with Ritu. Today I came with very informative video. As I told you in my last video that some alphabets having two phonic sounds. I today came with such two alphabets. One is alphabet C and second one is alphabet G. આ બંને લેટરના two phonic sounds છે. C નો એક phonic sound ક છે અને એક સ છે. Similarly, G નો એક phonic sound ગ છે અને એક છે જ. તો ક્યારે કયો phonic sound? Let's start the information. I have written here A, O and U and here E, I and Y. If letter C is followed by A, O and U, its pronunciation becomes K. But if letter C is followed by E, I and Y, its pronunciation becomes S. Let's see the example. Here candle, cot and cup. And here cement, circle, cycle. All these three words having the phonic sound K. And all these three words having the phonic sound S. Same goes with letter G. If G is followed by A, O and U, its pronunciation becomes G. But if G is followed by E, I and Y, its pronunciations become J. If I take the example, here I have written game, go and gun. But here I have written jam, giraffe and gym. All those words starts with G, but the pronunciation is different. So this is the two phonic sound letters. આવા જ ઇન્ફોર્મેટિવ વિડીયો જોવા માટે મારી ચેનલને લાઇક, શેર અને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરવાનું ભૂલતા નહીં. ફરીથી નવો ઇન્ફોર્મેટિવ વિડીયો જલ્દીથી તમારા માટે લઈને આવીશ. ત્યાં સુધી આવજો.